Memawo akwaba. Memawo akwaba. Memawo akwaba. I welcome you. I welcome you. Memawo akwaba bajumedi ayatu ni din unu opoku nsia twi so. I welcome you to the program named Learn Twi with Opoku. Good. If you are new here, this is a program that is aimed at what? Helping all Ghanaians and non-Ghanaians to learn the Twi language with ease. Good. In this episode, we are continuing our lessons on what? Formation of Twi sentences. How to form Twi sentences. And like we do as far as this lesson is concerned, we need to get our pronouns ready. Take note, for you to be able to speak Twi very well, you need to know the Twi pronouns. And as I've told you, I've made a thorough lesson on Twi pronouns. I have the link in the description. You can refer to it and then learn the Twi pronouns. Well, let's get some Twi pronouns down. We have what? Me, which is I or me. Wo, that is what? You, singular. Ono, and that is he or she. No, and that is what? Him or her. Yen, and that is we. Mo, and that is you, plural. Wong, and that is they. They. These are the pronouns, the Twi pronouns. Good. Let's get some verbs. This time around, let's get just one verb. And that is what? Ma. Ma, and that is to give. To give. Ma could also mean what? To let. Mamimra, let me come. Mamimra, let me come. But this time around, we are going to take the other meaning, which means what? To give. We are going to concentrate on that. Good. So we have what? The pronouns, and then we have the verb ma, to give. Okay? Let's take one noun. And the noun that we will take is what? Aduro, which is what? Medicine. 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 Good. So you have the Twi pronouns. And you have the verb, which is what? Ma, to give. And you have a noun, aduro, medicine. Okay. I want you to use these vocabularies available and then form a sentence in Twi like give me medicine. Give me medicine. How would you say this? Well, you are going to say ma, me, aduro, ma me, aduro, ma me, aduro, and that is what? Give me medicine. Mami edro. Good. What about saying give him? Give him medicine. Good. You know him is what? No. As you can see, those pronouns, Twi pronouns. No. That is him or her. Good. So I am saying give him medicine. Give him medicine. How would you say that in Twi? Well, you are going to say ma, no, edro, manuedro, manuedro, manuedro. Give him medicine. Give him medicine. Manuedro, manuedro. Good. Well, it's not all the time that you give medicine to just one person. At times you give medicine to two or more. In that sense, you have to say give them. Give them medicine. In Twi, how are you going to say that? How do we say give? We say ma. And how do we say them in Twi? In Twi, we say won. 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 And then how do we say medicine? Aduro. So we are going to say ma won aduro. Ma won edro, ma won edro, ma won edro. Give them medicine. Give them medicine. Ma won edro. What about saying give us? Give us medicine. Give us medicine. Then you are going to say ma yen eduro. Ma yen eduro. Give us medicine. Ma yen eduro. Ma yen eduro. Good. Starting from such a background, gradually, before you know, you'll be speaking Twi. Even before you are aware that, right now you are speaking Twi. So let's take it bit by bit like this. Keep on following me and we'll be able to speak Twi language together with you. Good. Let's end here and then let's refresh our minds on what we have learned so far. We have learned Mami Edro, which means give me medicine. Mano Edro, give him medicine. Mayen Edro, give us medicine. Mawon Edro, give them medicine. Good. In the next episode, we are going to bring in the definite article. For instance, if you say, give me medicine, the giver will have the choice of the type of medicine that he or she is going to give to you. But you can also say, give me the medicine. Give me the medicine. This time around, you are specifying as to what type of medicine or what kind of medicine that the giver should give to you. So we'll be introducing the definite article, the medicine. How are we going to say that? The next episode will tell. Meanwhile, I want you to try this on your own as your homework. How would you say, give her medicine? Give her medicine. How would you say that in Twi? Let me know in the comment box. And then 2, how would you say, give Kofi medicine? Give Kofi medicine in Twi. Write your answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching and keep on learning Twi with Opoku.